We're going to the class of language. Did you find the report equation yesterday? Did you find the page number 17? I think you found it. The first report question, and you need to write it here, is I asked them if they had a good memory. The second, I asked them what kind of things they forgot. The number 3, I asked my grandma how she had improved her memory. And the number 4, I asked what their best prize piece of advice about memory was. You need to write a 4 here. I hope that you wrote down the correct report question. So we are going to continue with the same topic. We're going to elaborate 3 exercises more to clarify questions. You need to copy that. And I want to explain you something else. When you report questions, you don't use pronouns. What are the pronouns? I, you, she, that it is a girl, he, that it is a boy, it, that it could be a market, it could be a boot, it could be a dog. We, that are a lot of people, including you, and they, that are other persons. But when you report a question, you won't use I, you, she, it. You will use the object pronoun. When you refers to I, you will use me. It's me. It's me. When you refer to you, it's the same. You. When you refer to he, you will use him. Him. When you refer to she, you will use her. Her hair, for example, her shirt, her blouse, her marker. It, you will use the same it. For we will use us. And for they, you will use them. For that reason, when you elaborate your homework, you notice that use the object pronoun them. I asked them is because he's referring to they, his family, but he couldn't use they because in report question you use them. For that reason, you can see here, I asked them. It refers to his family. Now, we're going to solve 3 exercises about report questions. Remember that for report question, you need questions, obviously. So the first one is, can you feel it? So we're going to solve the first one. First, imagine that your mom asks you, can you feel it? Your mom, not the teacher. So, who is telling you, who is asking you, can you feel it? Your daddy? Your friend? No, your mom. So you would write, my mom asked me. Always you need to use the word ask, or you can use want to know. We're going to see how to use it. So My mom asked I sorry as I or ask me. Very good. Ask me. So my mom asked me. Do you remember a keyword that we use in report questions? The word if. My mom asked me if. In this, we are going to use I. What is the past of can? Do you remember? It's cool. I was a verb will be in past. So my mom asked me if I could feel it. My mom asked me if I could feel it. Now to number 2. Are you in the cinema? Imagine that your daddy asks you, are you in the cinema? So you need to repeat this question. So, who is asking you? Who is asking you if you are in the cinema? Your mom? Your friend? No, it's your daddy. So, you will write, my dad and this part we won't use sorry, it's my cat. It's bothering me a lot. Sorry for that. Maybe if you heard my noise are my brothers. So, my dad, and in this part we won't use ask. We're going to use want to know. Want to know that it refers like quieres saber. And ask is like preguntó. So we're going to use my dad wanted to know. Want to know if the past of are is were, but in this case we're referring to the pronoun I. So the past is was. If I was, my dad wanted to know if I was in the cinema. In the cinema. And the last one is sorry, I made a mistake. It is not does you prefer coffee or tea because